Have you ever sat down at your desk at the beginning of the day and thought, there has to be more to my life than just this job or this career? Well, if you're like me, I feel the same way. I think that same thing every single day, 5 days a week. Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how I am building my business with the use of AI, and I will soon be leaving my full-time job. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lysandra, and on this channel I talk about things to help you go from your 9 to 5 to your full-time business. I'm currently doing that, so I figured why not share everything that I learned, all the different things I put into play. I share that with you so I can help somebody else. So now let me ask you, do you have a plan in place if your job were to lay you off, you were to get fired, any of those things? Do you have a backup plan in place? Most people don't. A lot of people don't. Well, I have. Once I thought about that one thing, for me, I decided that I needed to have a backup plan in place. I needed to have another stream of income. I needed to do something. And when I say that, meaning something that doesn't require me to physically do that. And let me just tell you, once I made my first dollar from not having to physically do the work, that's when I knew, okay, I need to have another plan, because this getting up every single day, doing these jobs, whether it's physically going to it or remote, is not what I wanted to do. So I started to use different AI tools. Like, I registered for school. I'm in school for the master's program right now. And because of that, I get access to a lot of free tools through the school. So I was like, okay, well, let me learn exactly what AI is, how I can use it, and how it can help me with my business. So what I want to do is, because I know there's somebody else out there who feels the same way, I want to share with you what I'm doing on an everyday basis after I work 8 hours a day, how I use the time after that to build my business, and how I'm using AI to do that faster and quicker and with more clarity. So I have worked many jobs, some retail jobs. When I was younger, of course, fast food, like everybody's done that, corporate, banks, law offices, things like that. But in the last year, 2025, I had different experiences where I was either let go or laid off from a job due to the company restructuring, as they call it. So that happened twice in 2025, and I decided, okay, I need to figure this out. I'm an intelligent person. I'm not stupid. I know how to have an open mind to use different tools. So in like August, I decided to enroll in the master's program. That was the first thing. And then second, I got another job like in like July, August, somewhere in there. But I was excited about the job because it was in tech. But let me just say, after we came out of the period where we trained and things like that, like I knew on day 2, when I was fully into the job, this can't be it. Like, there are some jobs that just trigger you so bad, and this job is one of them. So I said to myself, I have to figure out something to do. I need another stream of income. So I started this job, I started school, and when I went into the master's program at SNHU, we get access to a lot of free tools, or tools that are half off, where they want you to use them. They want you to know about them because they recognize that AI is here. So I started signing up, and once I saw what things like Google Gemini, Nano, Banana, Claude, ChatGPT, all these other kind of tools can do, like, I couldn't unsee it. So I was like, I need to figure out, one, how to use these tools to help me to build my business, because I have a business. I'm very blessed. I'm very thankful for it. But after 5, 6+ years, it literally is not at the point that I need it to be. And I was like, something that I'm doing is not right. I need to figure that out. So in comes AI. And once I learned it, I have more clarity now. And I know if I can do this and I feel the same way about being in a job, there literally has to be someone else who feels the same way. So, and if you see me looking down, I have my little notes here. So my AI exit plan consists of this. The first phase is the content system. The second phase is the digital product system. And the third phase is automation. So I'm going to talk a little bit about how AI helped me to work on those three phases. And once again, the phases are content system, digital product, and automation. So first, we're going to talk about the content system part of it. Like I was posting, but I was posting with no clarity, no process. So like I was getting sales, but it wasn't to the point where I was like, okay, this is good. I got to keep this momentum. So once I learned how to prompt, how to use the right prompts, then that helps me with my content system. So now I have 30 days of content that is repeatable, and I just have to work on my message. So by using AI, I was able to get clear on who I'm speaking to, what my skills are, what their pain points are of the people I'm speaking to, and how I can help them. And once I plugged all that into Claude and ChatGPT, because they will repeatedly ask you questions to help you refine that, once I was able to put that in place where I have a 30-day system that is repeatable, that makes content more easy to do. On top of that, I discovered things like HeyGen, Kling, and they help me to create like my digital twin and AI avatars. So when I can't show up, I can literally go to HeyGen, put in a script, follow along with my 30-day content, and boom, it's out. Now, I will say I've been lying kind of sort of for the last month, and I did that intentionally because I needed to get more clarity. I started investing in different training from different people, and this has helped me to know what I want to do, what message I need to put out with the content, and how to put that content out, and how to have a repeatable structure that just helps that process. So for me, I'm learning about Claude now. I use ChatGPT a lot, but Claude, oh my God. Once that thing happened with like Anthropic and the government and things like that, I was like, maybe I need to look at something else. So I'm using Claude now, and when it is powerful, like to be able to prompt something correctly and it gives you like a chart or it gives you a breakdown that you can follow, like that is powerful. If you have not checked out Claude or ChatGPT or HeyGen or any of those, I would definitely highly suggest it because it is great for your content system. All right, so phase 2 is digital products. And I know when you think about digital products, you're like, there are so many out there. I don't know what scam or, sometimes you buy it and it's not what you think. But with the help of like Claude, I was able to put in exactly who I'm speaking to, what the pain points are, and then put in my own personal stories and what I'm experiencing. And that helped me to get clarity on what I needed to put out for a digital product. So now I have gotten to the point where I know how to create a GPT, which is it's on ChatGPT, and what it does, you can go to it, it'll ask me what I want to do, and it asks me qualifying questions to help me to put out or create a digital product. When I first saw that in action, I was like, who in the heck would sit around now and like create that like manually? Because you can use a GPT or you can use Claude or ChatGPT and you can have it speed to like bringing it to the market is just 100 times what it was in the past. So now I have digital products where I think before I was all over the place with my digital products, and by using the AI and the automation, I've gotten more clarity now. So now I have one offer, a whole suite, 3 products that all tie in together. And I would not probably have been able to do that as quickly without AI. Powerful. That is powerful. And I would highly encourage anybody who is looking to create a digital product, use AI to help you. But the key to it is your prompts. Prompts are key to any AI that you use. And there are so many tools out there that you can use to learn how to prompt, but you got to get your prompting out. But you can definitely put out a digital product with your skills and your knowledge, and you can monetize that. Y'all, I'm making this video and it's a cat that I can see out my window. He's looking at me do stuff. What is that? Oh my God. All right, let's get back into the video. So the third phase of the system that worked for me is automation. Now, the tools I use are like, I use ManyChat. I'm on the free version. I don't pay extra for it, but I use the free version. Then I believe Instagram has it as well, where like people can put in a keyword, or you can have them say something in the comments and then it will automatically send you something. Automation is key, because what I figured out I wasn't doing right was I had a link in bio, but like my automation was off. It helped me with the digital product. The third thing, it was like, okay, well, now you need some type of automation. So when people go to your link in bio, they can buy the product. It will automatically send it to them. And then you can put them into your email list, and you can automatically schedule like email series to keep them in your funnel. So automation is amazing. Like now I have a welcome sequence. And listen, y'all, not ChatGPT, Claude literally told me, okay, this is how the email welcome sequence should go. This is what you should say every day. This is why. This is their pain point. Like, if I would have tried to figure that out, it's not to say that I couldn't do it, because we are smart. I am smart. But like, if I can put my ideas into something and get an output like within seconds or minutes, why would I not do that? Why would you not do that? So now I have my ManyChat DM automation set up. I have my keywords set up, and it is like, so when I saw the automation alone just done for me, and I didn't have to try to figure out what goes where, like that was powerful. And once again, I knew what to put into ChatGPT and Claude, and that output for the automation for me to set it up, like it even told me step by step what to press, where to click in ManyChat or on Instagram, like just totally powerful. So you need automation as well. So that rounds out the 3 things: the content creation, the digital products, the automation, and you can use AI to help you to do that fast. You got to know how to prompt. That's the key. But if I can do it, if I manage to figure it out, you can do the same thing. So I am still, like I said, I just really came back recently from being out or off social media for like about 2, maybe 3 weeks now, because I needed to take time to learn these different kind of tools and see how they could fit into my business. But I would say, when I look at the 3 phases that people go through, but the one thing I think they skip the most is the clarity in the content system. Like, you can definitely make money from Instagram, the posts you make, or from YouTube, but the messaging has to be clear. Like, you got to know who you're speaking to, what their pain point is. They got to know how you can help them. They got to know this product they buy is going to give them a transformation. Like, they have to know those things. So that first piece, the content system, sometimes people skip or they don't get right. And that is so important. So if you are going to start working on your business and you want to follow the 3 phases that I just went over, that I put into my business, don't skip part 1. Like, you literally have to do that. That is your clarity piece. So it makes everything else, because once you have the content, once you know that, then the second part, which will be the digital product, it ties right into it. Well, I know what the content is. I know who I'm speaking to. I know what the pain points is. I know what my skills are. This is a digital product that should be put out, especially if it can help me. I can sell it to someone else to help them. And then the automation, so when people click on it, they click right on it. I get them in my funnel, boom, bam, developing my list. 3 things. I'm doing it, you can do it. But like I said, don't skip that first piece, the content system. So before we end, I just want to give you a couple of stats. I should have done this at the beginning, but I didn't, but I'm going to give you these stats now. So did you know that 70% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? 70%. I know because I've done it. So I know it to be true. I'm like in that 70%. And then the digital product market is growing by 15% year over year. So that means your idea, your skills, whatever you have to bring to the market that can solve a problem, that can make money and you can monetize is needed. Because it's growing. I have told you the 3 phases I went through, the 3 phases I'm going through to build my business. Take that, make that your own, because you need to do the same thing. Because what I tell you, I'm working a job, you're working a job. But us having these 1 jobs is the equivalent to having none, because anything can happen. So those are just a couple of stats for you. So now I have shared with you everything that I'm currently doing while working my job in order to build my business. And I have set a date, and I am going to be transitioning out of my job. And I know if I can do it, being in some crazy situations, money not being right, all that type of situation, that you can do the same thing. So I definitely want to encourage you. And if you are in a place where you're thinking like, I don't know where I need to be going with this, I got a whole bunch of ideas, I don't know how to put them all together, then I have created the Align Content Generator. And what that does is here. So this is just like, hopefully you can see that. This is just one of the things that you get in the Align Content Idea Generator. What it does, it helps you to put all your thoughts into action. And whoops, this is just like, you can print this out. Like this tells you, hopefully you can see that, how to use this template. But this is a 4-part framework to help you to get your ideas out into the public, out into the world. Because if you have a life experience that can help someone else, they need that. And also, you can make money from it. I had to get out of the place of, oh, I'll just give this information away for free. No. Somebody will definitely pay you for a transformation quicker, and they can avoid mistakes and different things. So if you know how to do that, you need to put that into a product. But the Aligned Content Idea Generator that is available, like I said, you can print it out. I print it all the time. I use it like, these are different things that ask me, different things like that. But you can print it out, write on it, put it in like a Notion, whatever you want to use. But this will help you to get your ideas out and start making money. Like, money. Yeah, you can start doing that and you can share your experience. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, because I'll be bringing back more information like that, sharing my experiences, and also share this with someone who it can help them as well. And then if you also want to leave a comment below. What is your idea? What is the idea that you have that you want to put out, or what is the thing that you want to do to leave your 9 to 5? Put it in the comments. I'd like to know. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video. And until next time, you have a good one. Bye.